In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull in some DigitalGlobe featured imagery into Google Earth Pro. So what you're going to want to do, it's really easy, just go over to the Layers tab, and then you're going to just slide on down here to More, and there's a bunch of cool things in here, so definitely check them all out. But what we're going to want to click on is this box that says DigitalGlobe featured imagery. You click on that, and then you're going to see all of these little DGs pop up all over the map. And if you click on one of those, right, then what it does is it shows you, like this one is Burning Man in Nevada 2012. This is a satellite imagery that was caught there. So if you click on that, it'll load this overlay in there for you. And this is better imagery than what we actually have available to us inside of Google Earth, right? So here's Burning Man inside this overlay here. It's a just a higher resolution picture of some really cool areas, right? If you zoom out some more, you'll see how that has actually been overlaid over the Google Maps area. So if I click that off, the overlay is still on because it's been imported into here now. But that would not be there. We wouldn't be able to see that on the map, and it's just a cool thing to throw in there. It's really neat when you just want to check out cool places that just look neat from space. Something neat for Google Earth Pro users, and I hope this helped you. And please like and subscribe to my channel and support my channel with the links that are in the description. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.